The basics of a good subject line. The inbox is a busy place, and a lot of people, most people now are reading their emails on mobile. So that means your subject line and pre header text needs to be short and sweet. People are scanning. I'm scanning, you're probably scanning. We're scanning our inbox and we are making split second decisions whether or not we're going to click and open. So you're going to need to get your point across and catch their attention right away. And then the pre-header, which is what shows up directly below or after the subject line in the inbox, the pre-header text is almost like a second subject line that you can use to catch your audience's attention. You want to kind of make it as an extension of your subject line. Now, the pre-header text is typically going to pull in the first line of text that's in the body of your email. Um, it's a whole separate, but if you can change it, right? In what I use, Constant Contact and Active Campaign, it's a completely separate field that I can fill out when I'm sending my email, and I make use of that. So today we're going to be talking about many different examples and tips that you can try on your subject line. I want you to know that the same tips and ideas will also be applied to your pre-header text. So while there are a few email programs that don't show the pre-header text, I still suggest filling it in your email service provider. Otherwise, you're just missing out on that extra opportunity to provide a little more insight on why people should open your email. It's a common question that I see, so I wanted to make sure that I address that right up front. Okay, so the first question. How long should a subject line be? I want you to keep your subject line to 4 to 7 words. And then the length of the pre-header text is also going to matter. For that, a little bit more space, 5 to 8 words. With all that in mind, I want to suggest that you really think about the first 2 words. People read from left to right, and if they're scanning, you want to have your most important words first. That could help in just stopping the scan and letting them pause for a second to click through.